Yeah, hi Pooja.
Roshan from Eyva, right?
That's right.
Health tech startup is what we understand, right? Roshan, आप थोड़ा सा बताओ कि within health tech space and I understand in the blood sugar identification space, आपका product क्या कर रहा है and how is it different from the other alternatives that are currently there?
Thanks, Pooja. So, our product is a very unique offering. It's one of its kind in the world. For the first time now, you can check your blood sugar without pricking.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a real need.
Absolutely. So, no prick, no blood, totally non-invasive, and within few seconds, you have your blood sugar reading on a fabulous app.
Wow. So there's like some astrology blood sugar going on here. How is it actually going to work then? If it's not getting in touch with blood, कैसे फिर वो बताएगा blood sugar and how accurate is it?
Yeah, so very good question. So actually it's a very complex algorithm. So it's a mix of hardware and software. So there is a very pretty cool gadget of the size of a mobile phone, which you hold in both your hands and put your thumbs on it. And within few seconds, you get the blood sugar on the app on your mobile phone. And not only just the reading, but you also get your trends over a period of 1 week, 1 month. So you don't need to note down the things and you can see how you have been performing over a period of time. So that hardware includes, like that cool gadget includes sensor fusion, technology, and then a lot of complex AI, ML algorithms.
Got it.
Yeah.
So is it like a Fitbit sort of something which you can wear and almost constantly tells you your heartbeat and so many other things on an ongoing basis and you can look at a graph maybe? But I think we'll have to hold it for a while. It'll tell our blood sugar and we should monitor that on a regular basis. Is that how it'll work?
Absolutely. So to answer your question, it's not a personalized watch or a band sort of a thing. Because we purposely didn't want to be another Me Too product in the market, as there are hundreds of such personalized gadgets available.
Right.
So we are Indians, we are like family people. So it's a family gadget.
Got it.
So the entire family can get benefited out of it.
Understood.
Yeah.
And how long have you been selling? Like how long has the product been ready?
Yeah. So we put in couple of years in super refining this technology, and we launched this product last year. Since it's a global product made for the world out of India, so we launched this at the world's largest platform, CES.
Okay.
So it's Consumer Electronics Show, in case you might be aware, which happens every year in America, in Vegas. So we launched it there so that we get the best platform. And then we are very proud to mention that last year we also launched it in Europe, in Paris. So we we proudly represented India at Indian Pavilion in Vivatech in Paris.
Amazing.
And then we launched finally here in India, commercially available. So product is very much available and people are ordering on our e-commerce platform.
Okay,
and
got it.
Getting benefited.
Right. And what has the traction been so far in the last 1 year?
The response has been phenomenal.
Like, are we selling in hundreds, thousands?
Yeah, so actually anybody who has heard about it wants to have one. But we purposely wanted to go a little slow on this because we really wanted to give a wow experience because people, it's about health and wellness. So we want to make sure that we hear them, we take the feedback back into the product, fine tune it. So we have been a little slow on that.
This is
and
like a beta release. Yeah. And
Yeah.
once you have feedback and you can make those changes, and probably then it will come out with a more marketing push, so to say.
Actually, yeah. So to say yes and no both. So beta, we already are over it. Now we have people, using it all over the world. Out of 28 states of India, 26 states we have customers right from J&K to Guwahati to Kerala. And while we speak, we have more than 1 million scans already happened by our paid customers using our Eyva.
Right.
So,
and is the price point much higher than the alternatives in the market, or how is it priced?
okay, well, thank you. So actually, so far there is no such gadget available or health tech product available which can give you blood sugar without pricking. So there are products which are prick-based products. So we believe we have priced it in a very decent pricing.
What is the range like?
It's available at 16,000 price range in India.
Okay, but the entire family can use it. It's not like a cost on one person.
Absolutely, it's for entire family. Number one. Number two, there is no consumables available. It's a one-time cost, and then it can be used, for a couple of years, 4, 5, 6 years, depending upon the usage. Just like in a mobile phone, you just recharge it and keep using it.
And warranty, repairs.
Yeah. So it comes with standard 1-year warranty, and it's a very rugged phone. You can just throw it away and still it has to work. So we have taken utmost care while designing it, that since it's going to be a consumer grade product, so it has to be not only beautiful, but it has to be very rugged and which can be used in all the environments.
Right. So, Roshan, what motivated you to get started on a project like this, or how did you stumble upon the idea?
Okay, actually it will, there were a lot of things. I won't say that just one thing, clicked over it. But yeah, so my colleague and founder of Bluesemi, he's a master's from IIIT Hyderabad. So he was working on sensor fusion during his master's. And that technology, then, we kind of thought on multiple things, and finally we zeroed down on this, that there is a huge problem. India is like capital of diabetes in the world. So there are millions of people who are in pain. So we wanted to take pain out of that and make health and wellness as a easy thing.
Right.
Yeah.
And how is the entrepreneurial journey treating you?
Yeah, it has its own challenges and it has its own fun. So it's by nature. My colleagues, the entire founding team, we love solving problems every day. So Mondays excite us.
Good.
Yeah.
So you don't look forward to a Friday now.
Absolutely. So for us, all days are like
all days are the same.
Like
and
Fridays.
What would be that one main challenge as an entrepreneur that you think your team might be addressing on most days?
Okay, I think it's how we can make it, how fast we can deliver to our customers, and how wow experience we can give, because there are wide variety of users. So we have senior citizens using it, we have even children using it, we have male, female demographics, so everybody behaves differently. So educating them, it's like a new way of checking your health. Like earlier we used to have push button phones, mobile phones, and then later on the touch came. So a lot of people had problems initially that how to use a touch phone. So it's like a similar analogy. So we are trying to educate people that how to go with this new way of monitoring their health.
Right. And your major sales would come from which channel? What type of channels?
We are a pure D2C company, and
so
we sell online.
Website.
Yes.
And you've not tried channel partners?
They are on the roadmap. So so soon we will be will be available on e-commerce platforms as well.
A product like this, I mean, you will be able to tell a technology like this, not the product, but the technology can be incorporated with these Fitbits and other possible, apps. Is that possible?
Yeah. Technologically, there is no issue in doing that.
Is that something that you guys would be thinking in that direction, or would you want this to make first into $1 billion company and then figure out the rest after that?
Yeah, you are asking me to reveal my roadmap.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, but yeah,
Just
we
from
have.
a vision point of view.
Yeah, sure. So we have those options open. So for the time being, we are focusing on Eyva, and maybe at some point in time, we will definitely look for a personalized option as well.
Great. I think some excellent work, Roshan. It's been great talking to you, and we would love to see a demo, whenever it's available. But congratulations on your new startup, and all the best.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Pleasure for for all this conversation, and happy to be here. And by the way, tomorrow I am going to bring my personal device, so I'll be happy to show you.
We'll do that, definitely. Thank you.
Thank you.